Player, player. Player, 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 player. Player, player. Player, player. Watcha, 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 watcha. Yang.
I am Ivany's father, and Ivany is a bad influence to people. I don't even like seeing her. I have nothing to do with her. I wish she was dead. I'm preparing to bury her. No matter what it costs me, I'm going to bury her. Because when you have people like those in the world that giving problem, somebody going to put them down. I am not there for Ivany all the time. Ivany is the second kids for me. Ivany is 22 years of age. I have 11 kids. Ivany is a big girl, supposed to be working and stop doing bullshit. Because I've never done anything wrong in my whole life. Ivany is my daughter, and Ivany is not 21. Ivany is 22 years of age, going up to 23 December. She's not a little kid anymore. Ivany past the age which she could go and look a job. She chose to dance at a club. I have nothing to do with Ivany. Nothing at all. Ivany go in my phone, took what he want, took out of it and try to mess up my relationship. I don't even like a bone in Ivany. Ivany cannot come to my mother nor my father's house. Ivany have to stay far away. The other day my daughter came from England and Ivany go and steal his money and go away. I just wish Ivany dead and I could just bury her for good. Ivany need help. Somebody have to help him, but it's not me. I have nothing to do with her. And I'm a business person and I have no time for Ivany and his foolishness. So if everybody wants to stay there and let Ivany do bad things to them, it's up to them. But I am ready to bury her anytime now. I even have her casket ready, waiting on the time for her to die, because I know somebody gonna kill her. And I'm the one going to be buried here, but I'm not gonna be crying. Because I have 11 kids, so if one gone, I still have 10 remain. I am a business person. First and most, for let I explain to you. I am a business person. There's a lot of people in Port Antonio know Ivany. And I even told them that Ivany is not my daughter. People come up to me and ask me if I know Ivany, and I said no. They said you resemble. I know he's your daughter. I have so many things ahead of me. I don't have time for Ivany and his bullshit, and I don't want nobody to even know that Ivany is my daughter. That's the reason why I'm not going to make a video. I don't want the world to know that Ivany is my daughter. I just want to keep it as it is. Let she keep doing what she has to do, and I'm here preparing for her.
Who are going me opinionated peeps, Jano people? Me I tell you, said, if you listen to this, it's really heartwarming. Because for here, you know, a parent say such things about them child, you know, say that parent must reach at the end of them rope. You understand? After going through so much, you know, and clearly we can see say that girl here named Ivany, you know, she have some serious things that go down with her. You know, because when you do things like this, you must know say people are go out for you, people are go after you, and anything possible can happen at any given point in time. Watching out people, you don't know say it's unstoppable opinions. Give us your opinion down in the comment section. Make we know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. See you? I'm out.